Hello everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Okay, you see it has a great effect and also some kind of lovely. Let's see how we are going to create that. At first, we need to create the slides. New slide. In the new slide, we need to create this slide. I'll create one of them and they all are same. We need our picture, we format our picture and then we insert the picture from the background. Let me just save this picture. You can save the picture from the background and add it, save background. It's an easy one. Okay. And then you can add it from here. Okay, the picture and then the file. The text is just some easy text created using Overdrive Sunset. And this text we have here, we create it easily. We copy the text and then we here in the shape option, we gave it a solid fill, a white fill, and set the transparency to the level we want. For example, 42. Okay. Now we create all three of them, paste them here. You see, after creating that, we need to create the slide that all four of them are there. How we can create that? It's easy. We need to go to insert and insert zoom. We have two kinds of zoom. Summary zoom you can use, or another kind of zoom. Let's go with summary zoom. After that, we increase the size. Now the important thing is that we need to align them to the way we want. For example, let's align them like this. Or align them the way you want. It's up to you completely. After creating that, when you click on each of the slide, we go to the slide you want. You see? It's really amazing, but you need to do some modifications. Let's go there. We need to bring it a little down. Let me increase the whole space at first. We need to reduce their size. Okay. And we need to modify them to look better. And do some modifications. Let's go by this. After doing some modification, you can come with something like this that you see. It's looking pretty amazing. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments.